Do you get tons of emails and want to keep them organized by contacts? Learn how to convert emails to contacts and start building your CRM. When you receive a new email, eWay-CRM will show you everything about the sender. Since eWay-CRM sits right inside your Outlook, it's so easy. Let's have a look. This is Outlook Online, but what I'm about to show you is similar in other Outlooks. If you need assistance, check the links in the description. We've made videos about activating eWay-CRM and taking the first steps for every version of Microsoft Outlook. But back to my Outlook. Select an email from a new person. This one is from Adam Williams. The preview panel tells me that he is not in our database yet. I'll quickly create the contact by clicking this button. I could convert it to a deal, but we work with contacts in my organization. Some eWay-CRM plans contain an inbuilt AI that analyzes the sender's signature and gets details about the company, job position, phone, and address. It's pretty cool. Let's click the button to see the magic. eWay-CRM automatically creates the contact and fills in the fields. I don't need to do anything. See? Name, company, position, phone, address. All was properly recognized. His original email is also included, and I or anybody else from my team can get back to it anytime when needed. We can start including notes, saving future emails, and planning tasks. eWay-CRM keeps it all neatly organized. Creating contacts has never been that easy. Before I leave you for today, I want to show you one more thing. It's converting multiple emails and contacts at once. Let me go to eWay-CRM Online and open the module Contacts. I'll click Import Contacts and import contacts from emails. A dialog pops up and analyzes my mailbox. It's searching for people I write with and don't keep in my contacts. Here they are. I can quickly go through them and import them one by one, or click this button to import them all. Before I do that, let me quickly check if they are relevant. This one is a friend. Let's skip her. This one seems like he's already in eWay-CRM. Let's merge them. And import. I can import up to 20 contacts in one batch. So when I'm done, I can proceed to the other 20 records. We want you to go by groups of 20 to avoid many duplicates. Once they are all imported, you can close the dialog and let eWay-CRM import the history of email communications. That's very useful. Let me just confirm the dialog for now, as we recorded a special video where we explain all options. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.